Now let us see how to process hole cleaning. First, install a 100 length twister drill in the collet chuck. Keep other ring die parameters unchanged. Just deepen the chamfer depth. For example, when ring die thickness is 50, input 54. Simply increase the stroke depth. Now press W. Enter 54. And press Enter twice to confirm. This changes depth to 54, meaning the drill moves down 54 units. Observe the ring die. Engage spindle forward rotation. Start the single hole test, then check the effect. After achieving desired results, exit single hole test mode. Press Start for continuous material processing.